Employer Identification Number, EIN, is an essential unique identifier in filing taxes. Also known as Business Tax ID, the 9-digit number is integral in your day-to-day business operations. So, what happens if you have a lost EIN or simply forgot your EIN? Keep watching to find out more. EIN Confirmation Letter. The best place to look for the missing number is on the EIN confirmation letter that the IRS sent you when you were issued your number to begin with. Now, maybe that's lost too, but if you safely filed it when you received the letter, it will contain the EIN along with other pertinent information about your business. If you applied for EIN through the IRS website online, then the IRS would have issued it right away. You can probably still access the information online unless you opt to have it sent via mail. If you applied for your number via fax, they would likely have sent a return fax to you. If you can locate the original letter, the IRS typically prints the number in the upper right-hand corner of the letter along with the body of the letter. Federal tax returns. One of the easiest places to locate the business tax ID number is on an old federal tax return. Most people are pretty careful at keeping a file with the previous year's tax return paperwork. If you can locate your tax return, you want to look for Form 11020. The Corporate Income Tax Return Form. Once you have this form in front of you, you want to look in box B. This is the exact place where your EIN number will be listed. You can't file your taxes without this number, so if you can locate an old tax return, you can get to the number. IRS notices. The IRS also sends all communication by mail. They will not contact you by phone unless you're already involved in an audit and have a regular phone appointment. The IRS does send a communication by mail. This can be good news if you're hoping for another option to find your EIN. Again, the IRS will always include the EIN number on their communications. The number will be located in the upper right-hand corner of all of their communications. Bank account statements. Another place you might want to look for the missing or lost EIN number is on a bank statement. Your bank is likely to include this number along with other identifier information on the statement they issued you. If you don't keep paper statements or your bank only provides them digitally, you can look at an online statement to locate the number that way. Business loan applications. Often, businesses will seek small business loans. If you have a small business loan through the Small Business Administration, they also ask you to provide the EIN number. The EIN number would be part of the application for the loan. You might also have completed Form 4506-T requesting a tax transcript from the IRS. This form will also include a copy of the EIN number. You can also check any loan application papers you might have to see if the number is listed on that paperwork. These are just some of the places where you might be able to find your lost EIN number. For more help, contact us today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.